In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our online catalog to get your event plan going and submit your reservation request. The first thing that you're going to do is when it loads up, it's going to ask you which catalog you want to go with, and you're going to pick full service delivery. That's our delivery catalog. We use cookies to track the items that you put into your list. So you're going to want to say accept all if you want us to track it. And now you're free to shop around and look and see what kind of products that you'd like to add to your plan. And the first thing to understand is we do use several collections. We use an essentials collection, which is the least expensive. Classic, which is a mid-range, curated, which is a little more expensive, and then the signature is more of the plush items and it's the top tier. So right today we're going to shop within this classic selection. We're going to go here to the furniture. So I just want to point out that the menu is on the sidebar because it will disappear. It's only on the first page. If you're on the mobile version, you can access this just by clicking on the little three dashes. So we'll go right here to furniture. And we're going to go ahead and look at the chairs. And I see that my options that I want to shop in are all in the classic category. So I'm going to go with these because I like the natural wood chair. And I need 25 of those for my event. And I'm going to go back to the tables. I'm going to go to the banquet tables. And I can see there's a lot of different tables here. I like this farm table, even though it's in a higher tier. I'm going to go ahead and go with the signature farm table. This table allows no linen. I don't need a linen, and it's just like a regular wood farm table. You can get description information right here. It'll tell you like how many guests and how what the size of the product is and all that good stuff. So we're going to add 3 of these to my plan. And I need actually another table, so we're going to go to the tables again. And this time I'm going to get some high tops. I go with a 30-inch. And you can look at pictures. I don't need a long linen. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this size guide. And this is going to tell me what size linen I need. It says lap length is 90 inches round. So that's the one I'm going to get. And let me add 3 of these. And then I'm going to go to the linens. I just need a basic linen. So I go with a white. And I remember from the other guide, but here's another guide, is that I need 3 of the 90-inch round. Okay, and last item is going to be some glassware. Let's see here. Let's go with this glass here. And I'm going to do 2 racks so that everybody has 2 glasses. Okay, so now I'm going to look at my products. I've got 25 natural wood folding chairs, 3 farm tables, 3 high tops with the linens, and then I've got 2 racks of these wine glasses. So down here there's a couple buttons. If I don't like this list, I can easily just clear my event plan. I can review it in detail, which I've already done right here, or I can proceed to reservation request. So I'm going to click on proceed to reservation request because I'm done. This is what I'd like to get. And I do realize this all uses package pricing. So I'm going to fill out all of these details on the left. I'm going to click all of this. I have read the information at the top here, which is delivery begins at $5.99, and this is not in-store pickup. I need this delivered. So this is how you do it. And once you fill out all your details, you can just submit reservation request. And what happens from there is we send you over your event plan with the package price and a button that says book my rentals. And so you'll click that. You'll pay for your rentals. And then you'll sign an event rental agreement, which is separate and it's very general. You can always look at that right here, rental policies. The first page of the event rental agreement is actually your event plan. So after you've reviewed that, we hope that you review that before you book your rentals. This is in general in nature, the event rental agreement, and you can always read that online if you'd like to look at all of the terms. They're pretty basic and standard for our industry. If you're not sure how to sign that rental agreement, you can go back to our website and click on rental policies. There is a video right here of how to sign your rental agreement, so you can look at that. And then you're all set. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 805-680-5484.